Good evening.
Good evening.
Baby, I just love the way you love me and how you dance with me.
Hey guys, it is Ryleigh. What is up? I look especially ugly today. I don't think I've ever put my hair up in a bun like this in a video, maybe in like some of my vlogs, but here we are. This is what I usually look like 100% of the time. I was helping my little sister film a video today and she was doing her summer makeup routine. So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna steal that because I'm out of video ideas. So without further ado, let's get started. So the first thing I do is put on moisturizer. So I thought I had a burp. I use the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel. Just gonna dot this on my face. And it also feels like you're putting like cold water on your face and it feels so good. After that, I use my Mario Badescu facial spray. I love this stuff. Now we wait for that to dry. Oh, that hurt. Did y'all hear that? Ew, I'm not a fan of that. If I'm being real, I hate wearing makeup in the summer. Like, yes, I need it to make me look good, but if I don't feel like looking good, I do not wear makeup because it's too hot outside. It's just gonna melt off my face. But since I'm putting on makeup today, I'm going to show you guys the foundation I use. So I use the No. 7 Lift and Illuminate foundation. I feel like my makeup routine is always the same, but y'all like to see these videos, so here you go. I'm just gonna gently blend this into my skin. For concealer, I'm going to be using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I usually use the Makeup Revolution Concealer because this is $7 and this is like $30, so I mean, gonna go for this. And Jeffree Star says he likes this better than the Tarte Shape Tape, but as you can tell, it's literally empty, so we're gonna use Tarte Shape Tape. All of this is literally just gonna sweat off, but it's fine. I honestly don't understand why I still have such huge bags under my eyes. Since it's summer, I literally sleep for like 15 hours a night, so these should not be a problem. For powder, I just use the Coty Airspun powder because I just use it. I feel like this powder gives me a little bit of a white overcast, but I don't care about my appearance that much to care. So now I'm gonna put on blush, and I'm using the Milani blush, in the shade 08 Tea Rose. Rose B. Oh, that's cute. I forgot like half my makeup brushes upstairs and I don't really feel like going and getting them, so I'm just gonna use my powder brush. I know I should really be using like cream products on my face because it's so hot outside, but you know, I'm broke. I don't have enough money to go get new cream products, so mama's just gonna look cakey. It's fine. There goes my heart beating and you are the reason. Can't sing that to anyone because single. Then I take my sponge and just kind of blend out my blush so it's not too dark, because the second I step outside, my cheeks are gonna get bright red and I'm going to sweat. To make me look glowy and not just sweaty, I'm going to take my glow kit from Anastasia Beverly Hills. And I like to take the shade Butterscotch because it is a nice golden color and it makes me look tan. And I'm clearly not that. Ooh, I did not blend my concealer right there. Whoopsie. Maybe I look a little bit too glowy. Oops. I think I put a little bit too much highlighter on, so now I kind of look like a Bratz doll. Moving on to lips, I'm not a fan of lipstick at the moment, so I just wear chapstick. And I lost my Carmex, so I'm just going to be using my sister's Burt's Bees. Sorry. So there you guys have it. This is how I look bougie every day. I feel like I should put on some lipstick for this video just so it's not as disappointing as it already is. So I'm going to be using the Tarte Lippy Lingerie in the color Exposed. Ooh, now I look like I take care of myself. Hopefully now I look even more bougie. Ew, how long has my hair looked like that? Alright guys, there you have it. That is my everyday makeup routine for summer. Sorry, that was so annoying. Like, I'm annoying myself. If you guys like this video, make sure to give it a big, fat, huge, amazing, fabulous thumbs up. If you are not already subscribed, you should totally hit that subscribe button down below because you will become a part of the Lovely fam, which is the best fam. And you should also hit the bell so you are notified every time I post and you can see these lame videos. Oh, and if you want to keep up with me and what I'm doing, which is not much because I'm boring, you can follow me on all of my social medias. They are all down below in the description box. Alright guys, I love you so very much and I'll see you guys next time. Bye! Mwah.
I like me better when I'm with you.